how to find group reset link settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find group reset link settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and then click here, this one, gaming. Just click on it and click in stop, and here we'll find invite. Just click on it and then click here. You can reset group link just by one click, and click here. That's it, it's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.